Last year, Realme launched P series of smartphones which are specifically designed to offer a combination of performance, style and value, particularly for young online shoppers in India. The company is now back with its another P series smartphone lineup with the Realme P4 and the Realme P4 Pro. In this video, we are taking a look at the P4 Pro, its design, key features and things that make this phone different from others in this price segment. Firstly, let's talk about look and feel. The Realme P4 Pro features a 6.8-inch AMOLED display and it has a tallish stance. The company is calling it HyperGlow display because of three key features: up to 144Hz refresh rate, a curved display, and up to 6500 nits of peak brightness. All these factors make it one of the best displays in this price segment. Plus, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Now, for what's under the hood, the Realme P4 Pro gets a dual chip design. You have got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 mobile platform for handling your everyday tasks and heavy lifting. There is also a dedicated HyperVision AI chip. Realme says that this is the first phone under Rs 30k to have a dedicated graphics chip. अब ये चिप करती क्या है? Realme कहता है कि ये चिप डिलीवर करती है अल्ट्रा HD ग्राफिक्स एंड पावर्स गेम AI हाइपर मोशन फीचर्स जो 144 FPS फ्रेम रेट को इनेबल करती है टॉप सेलिंग गेम्स के लिए। इसका मतलब आपके फेवरेट गेम्स चलेंगे एकदम बटरी स्मूथ। Now, moving on to the cameras, the Realme P4 Pro gets a dual rear camera setup with a 50 megapixel main sensor and an 8 megapixel secondary camera. And for your selfies and video calls, there is a high resolution 50 megapixel front camera. अब वो HyperVision AI chip यहाँ भी काम करती है और वो यूजर्स को सजेस्ट करती है स्मार्ट एनहांसमेंट्स इमेज प्रोसेसिंग के लिए। A powerful phone needs a powerful battery and the Realme P4 doesn't disappoint. It houses a massive 7000 mAh battery which is paired with 80 watt Superbook fast charging. Other features of the phone include IP65 and IP66 dust and water resistance, Android 15 with ColorOS 15 and unique color options. So, what's the verdict on Realme P4 Pro? This phone looks to be a serious contender, especially if you are looking for a powerful performance and a top-tier display at an aggressive price point. What do you want to know about Realme P4 Pro in our full review? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.